Hi, my name is Chris Morrison with Huber Incorporated. I'm your local precision ag specialist here at the Seaford store, and today we're going to learn how to load grower, farm, and fields into your Pro 1200 display. All right, our first step into importing data into our Pro 1200 display is going to be waiting for the pop-up box to show up to import new data. As you can see on our Pro 1200 display, it says new data, and it's asking us to go to the inbox. So we'll select yes. So we have two files here. So you can see we have one received yesterday, August 1st, and one today for August 2nd. So we'll go to the one for import for today. Next, we'll make sure in that file we'll highlight our grower, farm, field, and task. We're going to import selected.